Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with investingnews.com, and I'm here to give you a quick look at our top stories for the week. We usually start by talking about gold, but this week uranium is definitely in the spotlight as the spot price for the fuel continues to track increasingly higher. There's a lot going on in the sector, and I recently had the chance to ask Justin Kuhn of Uranium Insider about what's going on. We covered a lot of ground in our interview, but a key point that he emphasized was how fragile uranium supply is right now. Justin explained that entities like the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust have cleaned up above-ground mobile inventories, placing the industry at an inflection point. He sees a supply black hole emerging in the midterm, which could have major consequences for prices and equities moving forward. Here's how he explained it.
I think we're healthily in the next leg up in this market, and the uranium price should continue to move meaningfully higher, potentially into a spike scenario. So you want to have a seat at the table when that happens. Don't get too cute with trading in and out of positions. Just hang on. It's a volatile ride, but as you know, Charlotte, it can be a very, very rewarding sector to invest in for various reasons, but the volatility is one of them, and you can't have that upside volatility without the down.
I'll leave the link to the interview with Justin below. It's almost an hour long, but I recommend checking it out if you want to get a handle on current supply and demand dynamics. On top of that, the uranium market got a taste of M&A activity on September 27th when IsoEnergy and Consolidated Uranium announced a share-for-share merger. Under the definitive arrangement, IsoEnergy will acquire all the issued and outstanding common shares of Consolidated Uranium that are not currently held by itself or its affiliates. IsoEnergy's focus is the Hurricane deposit at its Laroque East uranium project in Canada's Athabasca Basin. Consolidated Uranium has taken a more global approach since its creation in 2020, and it has a portfolio of properties spanning the US, Canada, Australia, and Argentina. Its main focus is on moving forward at its past-producing conventional uranium and vanadium mines in Utah and Colorado. In a press release, the companies explain that their goal is to create a multi-asset, multi-jurisdiction uranium producer that will operate at a global level. They believe they share common ground and will be able to generate value for shareholders. Many uranium market watchers see the news from IsoEnergy and Consolidated Uranium as a sign of what's to come, and we'll be keeping you posted on future mergers and acquisitions. As we wrap up, I want to speak about a new ruling from the Supreme Court of BC. On September 26, it found that the province's mining permit system is unconstitutional. As it stands, qualified companies and individuals can easily get the mineral rights to land in BC by submitting a request through a government website. There's no requirement to consult with First Nations groups or notify them if the mineral claim is on their territory. The court ruling found that this process violates the rights of First Nations communities and has ordered the province to update the system over the next 18 months. The existing system will stay in place until then, and at this time there's been no impact on approved mines or companies that have already been issued mineral claims. AMEBC, a BC mining association, commented positively, saying that there's an opportunity for a more inclusive process that provides shared benefits. It'll be interesting to see how the situation develops in the next year and a half. That's all for this week. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We also love to hear from you, so leave us a comment below. We'll see you next time.